Good morning. Let's begin our day with our morning works. It is Thursday, December dun, 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 3rd. So we're going to do literacy and math 2 in our morning work folder. So you'll want to find the penguin that has the 2 on his tummy. And we're going to start on the literacy side. And again, we have 3 gifts at the top of our page. And we need to write the beginning and ending sounds that are missing. So they've given us a picture of a cat, a bed, and this is a tag. So I need to grab my pencil. So grab your pencil if you don't have your pencil yet. Go ahead and get it, and let's look at our words. Our first word is cat. So we know that beginning sound is k. That's a C. Then we have the a already there, and then t. That's a T. C-A-T, cat. Next, I have the word bed. B-E-D. B, B, E, D, D. And the last word is tag. T, T, A, and G. Made by the letter G. There's that G. Bubble on the line, tail underneath, okay? In the middle, I have memory words, and I have to color the first word, trace the second word, and write the last one. So you're going to color this. I'm not going to take the time to do it on the computer. You can figure that out on your own. You're going to trace these words. I'm not going to do both of them, but I'm going to do you. You need to make sure you're doing this on your page. And then on the final line, you're going to write the word. I would like you to do the same thing with the next word. This top word is Y-O-U-U. Y-O-U-U. Color, trace, write. The bottom, you need to color this word, T-H-I-S, this. Trace this, T-H-I-S, and then write it, T-H-I-S. Okay? At the bottom, it says, I can color words in the an family. A-N is how these words will end, and they'll all rhyme because they have the same ending sound. Again, I'm going to switch. I want to pick the blue. I like that for coloring snowflakes. All right, so I'm looking for A-N at the end. Can. Is that an A-N word? Absolutely. Need to color that. How about at? Nope. A-T at the end. How about fan? Yes, F-A-N. There's that A-N. L-A-P? Nope. Ooh, app. Doesn't work. The last one, There's that A-N, so yes. I need to color these 3 snowflakes. Can, fan, man. They all rhyme. Can, fan, man. Okay, now we need to turn our page over and do our math side. I'm going to grab my pencil again. Okay, I have my pencil now, and I need you to flip over. Make sure you're on math number 2. The math pages have an ornament at the top, but make sure you're on number 2. This is what we're working on today for Thursday. So we have to look, I need to get rid of that guy, at this first 10 frame, and we're going to make an addition problem. So just like yesterday, we're going to count the objects and figure out how we can break up the number 9. This is just like our number bonds. It's just done in a different way. Okay, so it says I can use a 10 frame to write an addition sentence. I have to count how many there are of each object and write that number in the boxes, and that will give me the answer 9. So if I count these objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I find out there's 9 things there. Okay, so now I have to go back and count how many things there are separately. 1, 2, 3 stockings. There's 3 stockings. That goes in my first box, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mittens. So 6 goes in my second box. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So I have 3 of these, 6 of those. That gives me a total of 9. Now I'm making 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. That's the number I have. Now I need to figure out how many of each I need to get to 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 presents. And I have 1, 2, 3 Christmas trees. Again, in the middle, I can count on from a given number. So they give me a number in the engine, and I need to fill up the cars of the train with the numbers that come after. So I start with 2 this time, and I know that 3 comes after 2. And then I have 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's go down to the next one. This one starts with the number 5. What comes after 5? 6 comes after 5. Then I have 7. And then 8. Remember, I can do it with the 2 bubbles if I want. And a 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the bottom, it says, I can count the snowballs and write the total in the mitten. Okay, so let's count our snowballs. I'm going to mark them so I know I've counted them and I don't count it twice or miss one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even when I'm counting, I tend to move left to right, top to bottom, because it just is a good practice to train your little eyes. Okay, so let's go over to the side. There's a lot here. I definitely need to mark these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, that's a lot of snowballs. I don't trust my own counting. I'm going to go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are, in fact, 14. And I write 14 with the 1 first and then a 4. 14. Good job, guys. All right, you're all done with your morning work for Thursday, so go ahead and close your morning work folder and put that away somewhere safe until tomorrow.